Well, we almost had another bird patient today. It was discovered, yes, by my cat. Brought him in, and it was so tiny I thought this was like some nestling, not even a fledgling. So we took it to the animal hospital, like the woodpecker, and they took him back. They brought him right back out to me, and they said that this was a full-grown finch with no wounds, and just to put it back, like in the trees or bushes, and it will, do what it does, because it can fly and it can find food. So I have uploaded a video off my phone. Sorry about the quality. I do want to let you know, an hour after the video I'm going to show you, I went back and the bird had flown away. Apparently, we took this little guy to the hospital, and apparently he's a nearly full-grown finch, and he's got no wounds. Well, we need to get a bird identification card. So we took him, and the lady came out and said this is almost a full-grown finch, and to bring it back, put it on a tree somewhere. As you can see, I did. I got it in a nice shady little spot. Okay. So she suggested to bring it back, and it can fly. It's kind of stressed, but it can fly. And now it can chirp for its mama. So I'm going to sit here next to it until I can hear it chirp. But looks a lot happier. Poor thing first had a cat in its mouth, then it took a car trip, and now it's back under the trees. Say hi. Again, this is almost a full-grown finch. So he suggested that we return him to the wild, and I just did. I just did. Hi, little guy. So I put him in the shade, and just waiting for him to start chirping. Okay, I'm bending over and it kills my back, so I gotta stand up. Anyway, so no wounds. There we go. No wounds, and he'll be fine. Oh, he just chirped. He chirped. And chirp again. Oops. Guess he doesn't feel like chirping. You don't feel like chirping right now? I don't blame you. You had kind of a rough day. Alright, I gotta go. Be free, bird. Love you.